Here goes the lesson on Rumble by Link Wray. This instrumental song had the distinction of being the only instrumental tune banned from radio. So think about that one. It was so threatening to society at large, the notes of this song on the guitar. So let's take a look. We got this D. It's like a D power chord, but we got an open little string. So it's like a D sus2. So we're going to go to the E. And you can count that E as like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now this time we're going to A. 3, 4, 1, 2. Back to E. 3, 4, 1, 2. There we're doing the B7s. That's your 2, 1, 2, open 2. We're going to hit the bass first and then hit the other 4. And then we're going to count that same amount of times. So we're like 3, 4, 1, 2. Let me start the second round. So that riff was just your pentatonic scale. 3-0, 3-0, 2-0, 2-0, 2-0. A little bend on that 3 and to the open. Going to A, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. B7, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So this high riff is like strumming kind of as fast as you can in that kind of a fashion. So we could kind of break that down and make that a little similar, be like. Goes to the A. So you're sliding from the 12, 11, and 11 into the 13, 12, and 12, which makes part of that E chord. If you look at that, it's the octave of that. 1, open, open. The octave is 13, 12, 12. So we're going to slide in from lower. Now, a simple way to do this, he picks it like as fast as you can pick it, but you could just go like. Down to the A. So that was 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 2, and then back to the E. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. B7. 4, 1, 2. Riff. Okay, so let's go through the whole thing again. So here we go. I'm going to give a 2 count, and then we're going to start. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2. A, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Back to E, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. We got B7, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2. kind of fades out. So let's look at this thing one more time. So that's kind of more like how he's really doing it. But that'd be a good way to kind of get you started. Like I say, it's like 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 1 and a 2. You might go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. He kind of does a couple extra ones there when he gets towards the end of that. So once again, 3, 4, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 3, 4. So obviously you got to practice that one a lot. 3, 4. So like I say, that's a tough one. Try the easy way again. 3, 4. And that always has A after it. So one more time, the fast one. 3, 4. Okay, let's take one last look at that riff. Try that with me. 3, 4. All right, Rumble, the only instrumental to be banned from radio. Link Wray. All right, thanks for watching. I'm Damon. Welcome to Damon Wood Guitar Lessons, and we shall see you soon. Thanks a lot.